Afternoon. There have been a lot of tools introduced in this class that will benefit me as an educator and my students. With the coming of standard-based grading next year in social studies, I've been looking for new ways to help assess students that might give them a better chance at showing that they understand the knowledge or the content a little bit better. So one of the ways would be that I want to use is like the exit ticket from Google Forms. I think the exit tickets will be a good way for me to ask kids questions, check quickly for their understanding at the end of a lesson, uh, be a way for me to collect data on what was talked about and whether my form of getting the message across was clear enough. I also like the fact that with these exit tickets, I could also maybe add a link to a video or some notebook area that they could look at and find more information. So I think that would be a good way of using the exit ticket, the Google Forms. Another way that I could help maybe assess or check students' understanding was I really like the Google Slides comic strip. That comic strip area made it really kind of fun. Um, it'll give the students a chance to show their understanding, be creative. It's a non-traditional way of checking whether the students picked up on the content. They can have some fun. And I think also maybe somewhere along the line, based on what we've been seeing, I could probably add some links to my comic strips, or they could add a link to their comic strip so that I could see that they had some other, where they got their information. The next one was, I really liked the drawing tool. Kind of remind me of the students, and they're always looking at their memes. This might be a quick way again for them to go through and show a content, maybe do a picture of a person, um, give a little background information, and then move on. The last thing I would probably use, and I don't have a slide for this right now, would be like the Google Sheets. I really liked what Kelly had mentioned in her video about a way to chart the growth of their standards or the finishing up of a standard. I think that'll be very helpful for us if we start setting that up, especially whether it's going horizontally across our grade level or vertically 6 through 12. It'll be a good way if I can look at her sheet there by putting the standards in, marking it down, just to help make sure that we as a staff are covering all the standards that needed, whether it's just whether it's our standard or priority standards, or it's our non-priority. So overall, I think in using Google Forms as an exit ticket, Google Slides, comic strips, Google Drawing tool will be ways that I can help assess my students better formatively and summatively and give them a chance to prove that they understood the standard. Thank you.